Curious about the fuse box locations in your 2021 to 2023 Opel Astra? Wondering what each fuse controls and how to identify them? This guide provides detailed diagrams and explanations to help you manage electrical components efficiently and confidently. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse box is located near the battery under the hood. It contains fuses and relays for high-power components like the ECU, cooling fan, and ABS. This panel helps protect and manage key engine and electrical systems. Instrument panel fuse box. It protects and controls circuits for interior features like infotainment, cabin lights, power windows, and accessory sockets. It ensures safe operation of dashboard electronics and comfort systems. It helps isolate and prevent damage during electrical faults in interior components. fuse box. The rear fuse box protects and distributes electrical power to rear-end components like taillights, the fuel pump, and rear defrosters. It prevents damage by cutting off power during electrical faults or overloads.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.